Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Sagittarius. Okay, so this is your end of the month love reading. Okay, so yeah, pagdating sa person na iniisip mo. Okay? Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may iba pang tanong, message lang po kayo ha sa akin pong FB page for more info. Thank you. Okay, so Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay, let's see who is the person on your mind, Sag. Sino ba yan? Anong meron sa kanya, Sag? Tingnan natin. Okay, the Devil in reverse. Pwedeng Capricorn. What's with that? Devil in reverse. This person doesn't want any kind of drama. Any kind of, sabihin natin toxic. Ayaw nila nun. Okay? The Devil in reverse. Yeah, the Ace of Wands in reverse. Ang hirap nitong ma-attract, no? I think this person, you're attracted pagdating sa kanya, pero they're not attracted sa'yo. I'm sorry. Ito yung taong gusto mo, pero hindi mo mag-get. Makuha. Opo. Okay? Yeah. Iba rito, specific. Hindi kayo pero may nangyari. Okay? Hindi kayo pero may nangyari. Okay. So, ano ba ang sitwasyon ng mga Sagittarius? So, we have here Capricorn and fire sign. Like you. Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay. So, mayroon ako nakikita rito ng false start or failed start. Tama ba? I don't know. So, tingnan natin. Anong meron sa sitwasyon ninyo, Sag? Okay, the Six of Wands. So, someone is getting a lot of attention or maybe someone wants attention. Okay, dito sa sitwasyon na to. Six of Wands. Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Someone wants to get someone's attention. Okay. The Lovers. Yeah, the Lovers. Pero hindi makuha, no? Hindi ko malaman. Oo, see, the Ace of Cups in reverse. Bakit ganon, Sag? Ito yung taong sabihin nating gusto mo, pero hindi pwedeng kayo. Hindi pwedeng maging kayo. Ayaw nila ng drama. Ayaw nila ng toxic. Meron ditong naghahabol. May humahabol. Pagdating sa commitments, may naghahangad ng commitments. May iba sa inyo nagkaroon ng physical connection like sex base. Okay, pero no label. Yeah. Yeah, the King of Pentacles in reverse. Nakatalikod sila sa sitwasyon or nakatalikod sila pagdating sa mga dapat gawin. Okay? Yeah, you can't rely. Oo, you can't rely sa taong to. Hindi nila kaya makipag-relasyon sa'yo, Sag. Pwedeng Capricorn, Fire, Earth. Okay, so, ano ba totoong emosyon nito for you, Sag? What's their true emotion? Yeah, the Five of Wands. A lot of drama. Okay? Why? Why the Five of Wands? The Fool. Some of them, takot sila, no? Takot sila na kumonek or sabihin natin kapag kumonek sila sa'yo, alam nila na magiging pangit lang, no? Yung kalalabasan. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, yes, nandyan yung connection or I mean communication. Yun lang ang nakukuha ko dito. Pero, sex lang to. 5 of Wands. This is more on physical. Okay? Hindi sila ganun ka-invested sa'yo, actually. Habol lang nito is pwedeng yung kung anong naibibigay mo sa kanya. Yeah. Magulo eh. Magulo. Inilalayo ka na lang din siguro or inilalayo lang din niya yung sarili niya sa mas magulo pa na sitwasyon. I don't know why kung anong meron. Some of them, the King of Pentacles universe is someone is an irresponsible or someone na sabihin nating self-centered. Okay? Gusto kanya lang lahat-lahat pero you can't rely. Like, hindi sila magiging patas pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, ano ang kanyang next action towards you? The 5 of Pentacles, yeah. Hindi ka nito hahayaan na mapalayo. Okay? Hindi ka hahayaan nito na lumayo sa kanya. The 5 of Pentacles inversed. Yeah, the 3 of Wands, okay. Some of you, sabihin nating may third party na involved. Okay, the Page of Cups is here. The High Priestess inversed. You're giving kasi. I think you're a giver. Pagdating sa sitwasyon, pagdating sa connection. Okay? Lahat ng ina-expect nito, pwedeng ibinibigay mo, pwedeng ipo-provide mo for this person, for them. Okay? So, kaya hindi ka nito hahayaan. Oo, na lumayo. Lalo na kung may sex na nangyayari sa inyo kahit wala kayo. Wala kayong label, may nangyayari. Hindi ka nito hahayaan mawala. Hindi ka niya nahayaang makalayo sa kanya. Okay? Yeah, the 4 of Swords. This is an energy of communication. Yeah. Pero walang leveling up. So, ayaw nga niya ng toxic, kaya hindi siya nakikipagrelasyon sa'yo. Hindi siya commit. Just the benefit. Parang ganun. Okay? Oh no. Sa tingin ko, iba naman sa inyo, ginugusto nyo rin eh. Opo. Ginugusto nyo rin. So, yung iba dyan, oo, na tumatanggi. Okay. So, yun ha. Let's see, ano ba ang advice for you, Sag? The Page of Pentacles. And the 7 of Pentacles inversed. Okay, you're always expecting na magkakaroon ng improvement pero they're not. Okay? There is no chance of improvement. This is just a waste of time. Okay? The 7 of Pentacles inverse is a waste of time. And sabihin kung walang progress, walang growth, walang leveling up akong nakikita dito. Only communication. Okay? The Page of Wands is here under the deck. It's up to you kung bibigyan mo yung sarili mo ng chance na lumabas sa connection nito and to explore other things or magstay dito sa connection na ito na wala namang progress. It's up to you. Okay? It's up to you. Some of you, may chance na alam mo naman na kaya mong lumabas sa sitwasyon or sa connection na to. Pero you're still choosing not to. Yeah. So, you're being unfair pagdating sa sarili mo. Kung ginagawa mo yun. Okay? Ayoko maging sobrang specific dito actually. Okay? So, it's up to you. Pipiliin mo ba to? Or iba? Pipiliin mong magstay or to let go? Yeah. Kasi kapag nagstay ka talaga dito, ang daming drama dan. Days of Cups Universe, nasasayang. May mga chance talaga na pwedeng may mga dapat na kumukonek na or may mga dumarating na pero nabablock mo. Yes. The sex is good though. Yeah. Anyway. So yun, ang atin pong nakikita for you sa Sagittarius placements. Yeah, madali ang reading lang. Okay, so yun ang ating reading again for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.